LaTina here with Let's Get to Cookin'. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Memorial weekend, enjoying with your family and friends. Speaking of family and friends, I wanted to share a recipe with you, a red cabbage and fennel salad. This is an amazing, delicious, crispy, flavorful salad, which has like Fresno chilies and carrots and white onion, the cabbage and the fennel and the cilantro, a little bit of lime and avocado mayo if you have. You can use regular mayo. But this is so good and so easily. You just slice everything really thinly. I'm going to show you how to make it in just a little while. So I hope you enjoy your Memorial weekend and maybe make the salad this weekend and let me know how it goes. Let's get to cooking, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. So you want to get a red cabbage head, and we're going to thinly slice half of the red cabbage into thin slices, as you can see. Then you want to get a white onion, use half, and we're going to thinly slice the onion on a mandolin. Get all that sliced up, and you want to sprinkle that with the cabbage. Then we want to get 2 small carrots. You can use a large carrot, 1 large carrot as well, but you want to get thin slices of the carrot. Julienne style. Then we want to get a Fresno chili. I like Fresno because it's nice and colorful. You can use jalapeno, of course, or any kind of chili that you like. Gonna thinly slice this guy up. And we're gonna get a handful of cilantro, take the stems off, coarsely chop it. And we're gonna get 1 lime. We need the whole entire lime. So squeeze the juice of 1 lime. I like smoked paprika. I'm going to get about a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And also mayo, avocado mayo is delicious. We're going to use that. About 3 tablespoons. And don't forget the white pepper. About a half a teaspoon of white pepper. And start adding our vegetables to the liquid mixture of the mayo and the lime and the spices. We don't forget the fennel. I like to add the fennel last. It's fine. You can add it whenever, but as long as you get it in there. And then the cherries. So these are sour cherries. They're dried. I get them from Whole Foods. You can chop them, coarsely chop them, and add a handful or 2 to the salad. I end up using 2 handfuls in this recipe. And just mix everything up all together. And you have this beautiful salad. It's full of nutrients. Red cabbage and fennel salad. Let's Get to Cookin.la is my website. And I hope you guys have an amazing Memorial weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Delicious. If you haven't already, you can check out the pilot episode of my new cooking show at letsgettocookin.la.